Honoring Excellence Inspiring Generation Haiba Hiramda Sahil Foundation asinduna ngasi nomagi oiba Career Counseling gi thoram ama pangthokre Imphal East ki Yarifuk Tulihal Topok Pida Laiba Foundation asigi campus ta pangthokpa thoram aduda Lilong Kendra gi intending candidate Retired Colonel Mohad Sahid Khan Bungte Sirugi SDO BDO MD Hafizuddin MCS ITBP gi ex Assistant Commandant Thobal College की Assistant Professor Labuk Tongbam Nursafi AK Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC na lauba handak lauthokiba Manipur Civil Service Combined Competitive Examination da mathang sitna yangai taruk amadi samga tara taret suba rankta tarakraba Mohad Aman Nawaz amadi MD Anis Khan amadi Central Bank of India ki Zonal Base Officer Mainam Sarif Ahmed na athoiba mithungnen sing oina saru ya khibaga loina resource person oina wanga ki athoiba mithungnen singbu foundation ki maikaidagi momento amadi certificate piduna ikai konabasu utki athoiba mithungnen singna wanga ngaduna mahiroi sing amadi mamma mapa singna gyan losing oigada wafam kaya fongdoki thoram adugi nungi warol piraduna foundation asigi principal Syed Jabirna hai punsida mai pakraba singbu ikai khumnaba utuna lamdam asigi tungi yumberan oirakadoriba mahiroi singsu makoi punsida pandam ama thamlaga madubu fangdriba fawba hona ningbagi apamba adu fawhonnabagi pandamda thoram asi pangthokpani Hauziki matam asi yamna competitive oire maram asina foundation asina mahiroi singbo atopa mahiroi sang singa manadaba mawongda competitive exam singda mai pangnanabagi mawongda mahiroi singda takpi tambiduna iramdam asida awanba puraknaba honari haiki
School Civil Foundation put to work the book for the language. So, we school the concept of program say, excellence over my part nation, over the mission of could the young generation will have to the school students and that nation inspired to be doing the program. Masida could be school was that. Marina, the Tanzania, but no is that matter with that. Nang singgu school atopada managana atopada managana dariba navodaya amasung sahikyugi foundation jang hadi foundation gi oba darisa was 4.5 to be tamudamsa class 2 da sahi oniyani advance on moda basic sappi raga sahi oniyani advance over sappi na ko ndi da zinga mutta mayamda ko thumba nagada kana fami zariba school mani masih program sesat dulu bangkok negeri kita tahu siapa program itu siapa program ini masih dikini sih excellence juga sih umur itu pak menjadi excellence masuk inspiring generation itu